I'm very emotional today.
Why?
I remember your father.
That's this. Apple, would you punch mommy for $100,000?
No. What the fuck is wrong with you, bitch? Why not? What look are you going for today? Maui or the Rock? Your daddy is the reason why I love sausages. I just want to make a normal video just to say I love you to my daughter.
Okay, mom, pretend like you're putting a phone to your ear. Wait, why are you doing it? You're a boomer.
I'm Jency, bitch.
The queen has died.
Oh my god, Beyonce?
Oh, queen.
Use this sound to make my family